Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury without breaking the bank. If you've ever dreamed of owning a luxury car but thought it was out of reach, think again. We're talking about cars that offer that premium feel, the features, the style, without the premium price tag. Here are the 6 best cheap luxury cars you can buy this year. First up, we have the Audi A4. The A4, especially when you look at slightly used models, offers incredible value. This is a car that punches way above its weight class in terms of both luxury and performance. On the outside, the A4 boasts that sleek, sophisticated Audi design language. Step inside and you're greeted by high-quality materials, a driver-focused cockpit, and technology that rivals cars twice its price. We're talking about Audi's virtual cockpit, a beautiful digital instrument cluster that can be customized to your liking. You've got available leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a whole suite of advanced safety features. The turbocharged 4-cylinder engine provides plenty of pep, and the handling is sharp and responsive. Whether you're commuting to work or taking a weekend road trip, the A4 delivers a refined and engaging driving experience. Audis have gotten a bit of a bad rap for reliability in the past, but the A4 has actually proven to be quite dependable, especially in recent model years. So if you're looking for a stylish, well-equipped, and fun-to-drive luxury sedan without breaking the bank, the Audi A4 should definitely be on your short list. Next up, we have a legend, the BMW 3 Series. This is the car that basically invented the sports sedan segment, and it continues to be the benchmark for driving dynamics and performance. If you're willing to consider a slightly used model, you can get behind the wheel of this iconic car for a surprisingly affordable price. The 3 Series is all about the driving experience. The handling is razor-sharp, the steering is precise, and the engines, even the base 4-cylinder options, are powerful and eager to rev. This is a car that makes you want to take the long way home just for the sheer joy of driving. The interior is still a very nice place to be, with comfortable seats, high-quality materials, and BMW's iDrive infotainment system. You've got your choice of body styles: sedan, wagon, coupe, convertible. And with a wide range of engines available, from fuel-efficient 4-cylinders to powerful 6-cylinders, you can find the perfect 3 Series to fit your needs and your budget. Some model years are better than others, so it's important to do your research and get a pre-purchase inspection. So, if you're looking for a car that's both luxurious and exhilarating to drive, the BMW 3 Series is a fantastic option. Moving on, we come to the epitome of luxury, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. It's the car that whispers, "I've made it," even if you got a great deal on it used. And believe me, you can find some great deals on used C-Classes. The C-Class has always been known for its sophisticated design, its luxurious interior, and its refined driving experience. The exterior is classic Mercedes with elegant lines, a prominent grille, and that iconic 3-pointed star. And the interior is where the C-Class truly shines. The materials are top-notch, the seats are incredibly comfortable, and the overall design is both modern and luxurious. You've got your choice of wood trim, leather upholstery, and even massaging seats. The C-Class comes standard with a large infotainment display, a digital instrument cluster, and a suite of advanced safety features. On the road, the C-Class is smooth, quiet, and refined. It's not going to be as sporty as the BMW 3 Series, but that's not really what the C-Class is about. This is a car that's designed for cruising, for comfort, for arriving at your destination feeling relaxed and refreshed. Reliability-wise, Mercedes has had its ups and downs over the years, but the C-Class has generally been a pretty solid car. So, if you're looking for a car that exudes elegance, comfort, and sophistication, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class is a fantastic option. Now let's talk about a brand that's synonymous with reliability, Lexus. And when it comes to affordable luxury, the Lexus ES is a standout choice. This is a car that's known for its bulletproof reliability, its smooth ride, and its luxurious interior. And the best part? You can find used ES models for a fraction of the price of their German rivals. The current generation ES is actually quite stylish, with sharp lines, a bold grille, and a coupe-like roofline. And the interior is classic Lexus, with an emphasis on comfort, quality, and attention to detail. The seats are like your favorite easy chair, the materials are soft touch and high quality, and the cabin is incredibly quiet, even at highway speeds. On the road, the ES is all about comfort and refinement. The ride is smooth and supple, the steering is light and precise, and the engine, while not particularly powerful, is smooth and refined. The Lexus ES consistently ranks among the most reliable cars on the road, year after year. So if you're looking for a car that offers luxury, comfort, and peace of mind, the Lexus ES is a fantastic option. Now, let's talk about a brand that often gets overlooked in the luxury car segment, Acura. Acura is Honda's luxury division, and they make some seriously impressive cars. And when it comes to affordable luxury, the Acura TLX is a hidden gem. This is a car that offers a great blend of sportiness, sophistication, and value. The TLX's design is sleek and modern, with sharp lines, a bold grille, and a coupe-like roofline. And the interior is a nice place to be, with comfortable seats, high-quality materials, and a user-friendly infotainment system. On the road, the TLX is a surprisingly sporty car. It's available with a powerful V6 engine that provides plenty of pep, and the handling is sharp and responsive. It's not quite as engaging to drive as the BMW 3 Series, but it's still a fun car to toss around. Acura consistently ranks among the most reliable car brands, and the TLX is no exception. These cars are built to last, and they offer great peace of mind. So if you're looking for a car that's sporty, sophisticated, and reliable, the Acura TLX is a fantastic option. Finally, we come to a relative newcomer to the luxury car scene, the Genesis G70. Genesis is Hyundai's luxury division, and they've been making waves in the automotive world with their stylish designs, luxurious interiors, and impressive performance. The G70's design is bold and aggressive, with sharp lines, a massive grille, and a coupe-like roofline. And the interior is just as impressive, with high-quality materials, comfortable seats, and a driver-focused cockpit. On the road, the G70 is a blast to drive. It's available with a powerful turbocharged 4-cylinder engine or a smooth and potent V6, and the handling is sharp and responsive, making the G70 a joy to toss around. While Genesis is a relatively new brand, they're quickly building a reputation for reliability. The G70 comes with a long warranty, and it's backed by Hyundai's reputation for quality. So if you're looking for a stylish, luxurious, and fun-to-drive car that's also a great value, the Genesis G70 is a fantastic option. And there you have it, folks. 6 amazing luxury cars that won't break the bank. From the sleek Audi A4 to the sporty BMW 3 Series, the elegant Mercedes-Benz C-Class, the reliable Lexus ES, the well-rounded Acura TLX, and the up-and-coming Genesis G70. There's a car on this list for every taste and budget. Remember, buying a used car can be a great way to save money and get into a luxury car that you might not otherwise be able to afford. Which one of these cars is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.